talking about the power of I am statements. It's not so much that the words that we choose have power, it's the meaning and the feeling behind the words that we choose that have power. So when you start to focus on and choose your thoughts around gratitude, and then begin thinking, I'm thankful that I've got, a healthy body. I'm thankful that I have people that I get to work with. I'm thankful for my family. And you start really, I'm just going to say, forcing yourself, making yourself go to those places. You're going to notice that you're going to have a shift in energy. And you're going to go from maybe a place of, who knows, it could be feeling a little sorry for myself, or maybe you're kind of focusing on things that aren't working in your business or your life. Just like that, you can elevate that through gratitude, through positive I am statements, and different sorts of incantations that will help you and support you to level that up. All right, you guys got that? Everyone?